Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network in Windows 11. Sometimes your computer automatically connects to a Wi-Fi network that you no longer want to use. In such cases, you can remove or forget that network so Windows will not connect to it again automatically. So let's get started. First, open Windows settings by pressing Windows plus I hotkey on the keyboard. Alternatively, you can click on the start button and then select here settings to open Windows 11 settings. After that, select network and internet in the left sidebar. On the right, select the Wi-Fi. Under Wi-Fi, you need to click on manage known networks. Here you will see a list of all Wi-Fi networks that your computer has connected to previously. Now find the Wi-Fi network that you want to remove and click on the forget button. Now once you click forget, Windows will remove that Wi-Fi network from your computer. If you want to connect to that network again in the future, you will need to enter the Wi-Fi password again. That's it. This is how you can forget a Wi-Fi network in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to GearUpWindows channel for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.